Why, this car is automatic. It's systematic. It's hydromatic. Why, it's greased lightning.
Greased lightning.
We'll get some overhead lifters and four-barrel quads, oh yeah.
Keep talking, won't keep talking.
Fuel injection cut up in chrome-plated rods, oh yeah.
I'll get the money, I'll get the money.
With a 4-speed on the floor, never waiting at the door.
You know that ain't no shit. You're getting lots of tin. Greased lightning.
Go grease lightning, you burn up the quarter-mile. Go grease lightning, you're coasting through the hip-lap drive. You are supreme, the chicks are crazy.